Hey guys, Alfred here, and today I'm going to be unboxing a two-person inflatable boat by the company Sevylor. The first thing we have in the box is the owner's manual, and you also have two repair patches just in case the boat gets torn or punctured. The next thing we have are the two oars the boat comes with. And we have the boat itself packaged and folded up neatly. Here we have the boat fully laid out with all its parts. The two poles consist of one oar, and they're held together by that little part. The washer holds the oar in place against the oar lock so it doesn't fall out while you're rowing. And that's the paddle. So here's the boat fully pumped up with the oars attached and the oar locks in place. And this boat has 3 separate air chambers with a double lock system, the yellow part and the black cap, so it's extra secure, prevents any air loss. And that's the back of the boat, pretty distinctive shape to it. It has a nice two-tone color, and the grab rope in the front. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like it, leave your comments, and subscribe. Thanks.